Asɛm mpe nipa o. Asɛm mpe nipa o. Asɛm mpe nipa. Nipa na ɛpɛ ne ho asɛm. Asɛm mpe nipa o. Asɛm mpe nipa o. Asɛm mpe nipa. Nipa na ɛpɛ ne ho asɛm. Abuzafo mamu nyina wakɔ aba de ba Ghana Nsɛm TV so. Sɛ mu nyina mu me frɛ me Mr. President. But more than like video, be subscribe to the channel. No watch your comment section or now if by chance you also contribute to your studio works and so on. Then I accepting patch her number and was an picking liner or friend. Man, I will be episode send the episode the boy be a mic airtime BBI when there was. Now I was for and then was because of Sammy Gyamfi good born. So I think 3 days ago, and it will be reaching out to me. Or WhatsApp and no meeting komobi na nkomo ye ni meeting komo nyafe idu na me sekra fem me sena fem na efise me oman mapa Ghana ni mapa papa se makoma di oman Ghana achi ntin se me ti bi na ye mabofo na ye ma asefem pacho Sammy Gyamfi ya ye kana se me on na emre bi okoton gold e boka $214 million onwa onu na okozi akọ Kumasi KJT market a ye fe na Koto Gold Boka the first e bi edin mo ntem se ye fe na Koto Gold Boka the first Sammy Gyamfi ni din no Sammy Gagai Sammy Sikadisius Sammy Gold na Sammy de isi de wo kana sama na wanto se bia unya gold ni bi ni o of a sudden asenkofo nyina kotokoto no Sammy omoye nana aso bi ekoto Sammy Gyamfi good no moto no mu chedi sa good no na atiefo arawose me wo mu ne se Yerwa John Dramani Mahama na manyoku ba atumi mu an anom ko sete ya gold board na de twetwe maso kakra ne se Sammy Gyamfi onye gold expertise is an expertise in communication nyina nim Sammy Gyamfi so no communicator inte banese na obi an kan field eye communication ye move ne from communication na ba be good ne se bibi koso a enya depa na arawusem wo mu ne se obi frɛ radio station no wodi nkomo bi wase ne yonko brebo pa otonton good oko gold board so ko register go license to sell to buy and sell gold license nko a 2 billion license a do beton gold nko a 2 billion Aden na na nkwan bodo kra ton ne sei nkwan bodo ye ton ne sei license e ton gold nkwan 2 billion per license now but se me wo mu ne sei se da wosa beka license no obekwa akra obedi akonia ba be 500 fair bribe so bebam kakra mo nim se de NDC for money kom bribe ni hia wo mo asana wi a obetwa 2 billion Ghana cedis for licenses nkoa Yerwa Sammy Gyamfi adai hwe on ba ye me license Ghana for tua ana Ghana for eto edi om gold adwuma no na enu even 1 billion company ndru of a sudden you are trying to make gold board a hot cake adai it is how license 2 billion na ya moje no se hwe mo license so nipa omo license omo bro ha it is ankrofo ni nyina say 2 billion ya moje no mo de fa henfa OSPS o hwehwe asem wi moye ye nji wundi ba hwehwe asem wi moye ede nkoa na ewo gold ton ni mu a it is each license be onye 2 billion nyansa kro no a Yerwa Sammy Gyamfi any gold board for air Ghana for no eto be we na Yerwa Sammy Gyamfi bia Ghana for nkan kire o ejumfo man se men kan say eda power be change hands per you a potential jail candidate ukure wako world market akoton gold aboka $214 million dollars nipa da se ni yehu bi da wo ya tan we motenatena yehu so bi aton gold aboka da na Koto Gold Boka the first waton gold aboka $214 million anu kwanko da nchen eba ne se na licensing for gold isi akọ licensing for gold abetwa 2 billion Ghana cedis adai na nkwa bodo kra yeton ne sei nkwa bodo yeton ne sei $214 million wakoton aboka yen kan no asem no wie afa the license a wo de ma wo mo phantom gold so 2 billion na mo akwhye mo dem asa akwhye mmara say gold no gold wona say gold no hye wo dem a enya wo dem ya ban de ati betim de para be fa gold no me pa so mo bi hye me mpase ya mo mmra ho na me fa mo samia na otan we na tilted towards Asantefo because Asantefo is known to have a lot of gold sabi ye na otumfo nya me kese na ebo mu ase ye nim say ye na otumfo de na hina nyina e gold nko a it's your time planning and plotting any time you industry forward the mass Asantefo nti na sa amra no mo hye bo mo boa de lie bad e de ba asemwa asemo de madam asemo ani enyan papa ye nya sa now I was saying woman say Sammy Gyamfi say release information say by Nyampa next 2 months I stand to be corrected next 2 months wow gold license be a revoke license enye adwuma bio eti ukoje license 2 billion January Nyampa next 2 months license enye adwuma bio yese be new license eni da ho kro no ne eni da ho sisi sembe kra so no isi Ghana fosu Yera John Dramani mama Amy Ghana for men no na yera Sammy Gyamfi so e de oje hye ya motuom eni ye pa na wo hye
Busia Krono Sammy Gyamfi ene ni good board e boss more skill minus e o Ghana enya asem ketwa you see Sammy Gyamfi run establish a good board or the call parliament no or the shemu say good board e wo to me say obebo ewura wo dem abawura won passe abawura wo kem abawura wo adwumam na se wo gold no osususu se gold no unni license se ukura gold no ana se wo keep gold na 1 oma sizi gold no 2 oma prosecute omo le wakogina emranim ajeli na saade ewe yehunu ye kan ye se eye embra Sammy Gyamfi de ba e de aba be bo omo ye good adwuma ekro na wa hyase we are getting reports for Sammy Gyamfi ene na pamfo use samra we de abo omo kro no omo de sisi omo good omo create false allegation no omo gina so no omo de sisi good for a wo de say adwuma we ye diom enya asem ketwa na ba ko enya akukuduro akocha radio so aka na asem e ba be yi video na kire obad na kire say we a small scale miner what to gold ton na say Sammy Gyamfi na gold board for boys are well recruit o my ndc boys are well recruit o mo gold board omo de say adwuma we bi adi abok for no asizi good our man fa kwan passwa keep evidence keep receipt fi say eda aban be change no Sammy Gyamfi ni NDC boys na we recruit omo na monkrofo businesses omo na small scale miners ni omo to gold ton eso a omo sisi omo gold omo fa kwati kwan so jiji omo gold no all of them ya bentim gold ama money atili all of them including Sammy Gyamfi dem when you share video no
ana unim say me one guy bi wo ha me money dini me am jipa young guy 32 years or Tony gold or Tony gold na Sammy Gyamfi enkrofo iba na office before then na onne lances no nya 2 billion goje lances enti na ode oweke anda obi lances enti shop na wo no Sammy Gyamfi asoma sebe ne enkrofo ise monko ho na monko cha blanti moko ya mo de old lances na brand ndi ye adwuma na onne lances no e na call no office na mo ko do office wo no mo che no no say eja enye sa lances wono na me de adwuma ene dia me ankasa matumi akotua more than 2 billion bi mo lances and you say no ye ba me trimpon say ye ba be hwe ola e ba be hwe lances wo de adwuma ne say no lances are all the lances am de adwuma shop we no me mfa nya adwuma bi intime obsi da bi da o ma che boy ne coin gold o mo fire titisika no 14 billion 1.4 million Ghana cedi me no ka say boy na ko eye enkran over 2 weeks kwaniaba aye de beye ontumi retrieve 1 cedi mpo enti emlanti bebre no madwuma bom emlanti be no ma tofo ma na ukọ western regional a lot of boys out of form team because Sammy Gyamfi na pamfo say on lances or your lances or processing him ya beche no omutumi chi obi di ne court now then akono sabe nipa na wo che no na wo say all lances nemu anase on lances anase process no onwie ye onya lances na waje ni gold no sabe kemam kabi mem ne ho enya ndisi man eye kabi mam kabi man ena ndisi ni Sammy Gyamfi di so enti wo de na akọ court no what you over 100,000 and sana all retrieve half of 2 million Ghana cedis mojeye court no emu asem no what you retrieve half 1 million Ghana cedis moje 2 billion and in gold ni sika Moses Abom owie ye no wakọ court was 6 times Sammy Gyamfi gold board NC court order more prosecuting kromfu0 say gold buyers no emfa kwa papa so see de na yewura eken o sha momu ni sika mo de be ma wo oma wo mu sika mo di to gold babaje lances obaje wi a oma na sa sponsor miners mom kofa gold no de ba ehun sem bebre e dia ye nyansa kro no na Sammy Gyamfi any NDC bo Ghana for na gold buyers no ne miners no unia bebre out of form because of Sammy Gyamfi
mejiri se sanko ya fena
this me can say MPP dey far better than Sebi NDC o dey hwe gold medium free western region Sammy Gyamfi Sebi nyansakoro no Sammy Gyamfi bo Ghana for small scale miners no too much
obo mu
nyansakoro no too much
Aden
ye to gold ye gold adwuma angel ana Akufo-Addo free so na gold no £1 ye 13,000 na o buy na de buy 8,000 and ye toto ho ayi na Sebi utumpushi ba kakra afi edru wo de dabia wo de policies ba ewi ase wo se gold for major lances before so many lances no aboaje over 200,000 2 billion and then when you one lances omoje lances ni we wasa de aba se may
opeso to gold keke no
opeso to gold keke emlante na to gold no ebi kura nya ni sika wo obi okuta be 100,000 bi no Sebi obi so no so and the obeto gold na to gold no ha o de brewa na what offense wato mpanifo na to na ifo agent sika na o de ko enya sanso a o jim kromfu sika na o de atoto gold no enumere no my accounts na ife ono zo nya ne kakrawa 200,000 stop bebre o ho a omutoto gold a so yi 200,000 free sika ni ma ontumi ntwa gold toton so
na lenses le krom lenses be na ye ai 200
lenses keke amin kromfu bebre agigibi na wonim shocking a year party wo ni say omoje lance wie no na wo se ade aba lance no kra no na me read ba ko ma true odi aba se may lances no be 200,000 otua no ahyiagu lances na ba na wie ye wakoje lances atua over 200,000 za no onsaka na ho tete ho kra no ene nkra kwani aba no
mutua silences no mutua de ma hwan gold board for ya
200,000 plus and sana onsaka lances omusi may lances na sa ahyiagu wo bibia no may ja lances nim
me hwe procedures no procedures ben na omukoma ansa no matimi akwa these lenses gise obewie no atua ho ka be 200,000
o say normally say obe kwa kwaje lenses dia adwuma di bisa ye wo procedures bebre a guard lancer Sammy Gyamfi ene Sebi niku no e de buy and gold board de buy the procedures no ho maybe obeto krata no obesensan obefa ebi akoyi ebi akwa ni ehun se Sebi ohun se obetumi ekuta lances dwuma na wo ye no maybe document bi say we show kire say wo ye small scheme na say ututo gold no ni nyina on bejeje but before say on sabe kan lances no na we more than 200,000 no single person or Ghana ha when ya Sammy Gyamfi lances when tria more than 300,000 and sana when ya lances because okoto gold it is auto gold
no ebia this ebia person fan tokua bia chi goro boss direct na okoje lances go ebe to gold
okoje lances abeto gold over 200,000 sana when ya na winim wasade abase may friend say lances na bana wiye na o di dwumadie foforo ba wa frame lantern akohia nkan waka ho asem say after may omone MMDCs no district assembly ni nyina edidi nkomo say omo ba betuto gold no e wa assembly
na atifo arawusme wo mu ne say
of economic variables it doesn't help a country like Ghana bureaucracies have hit us more because people take advantage. Look, I won't be here because we are doing politics to condemn the initiative and attack personalities.
Okay.
But I'm saying that the idea of the gold board, practically will not help the country. Why? It is rather going to create an opportunity that will promote Galamsey. You see, what's it? What small scale miners? I know. I know that small scale mining, perhaps on paper, could be said that is different from Galamsey on paper. But in reality, those who claim to be small scale miners are in effect doing Galamsey. By the way, if the person says that, oh, you're a small scale miner, it presupposes there, or we need to keep your order to equipment. But that's matter. Before you get a mining license, whether large scale or small scale, in here proposals, in here financials, the Minerals Commission on Sora Kekemo license. Now, what's Minya Sammy Gyamfi and can you there? What's it there in the law? No, they are also saying that they're going to buy equipment.
I know more the trackers.
Come on. Oh, please.
See, say free
that
land.
That is where the danger is.
Oma sign ya ma with the free swap kwa the omo control na stop it into me and machine into me ejuma.
I am an entrepreneur. I know the challenges in entrepreneurship. You can talk paper. Many finance minister akasa. Makache and look. I'm respecting. Good idea. Honor Sammy Gyamfi akasa. Mr. Sammy, you know what? Great idea. But there are eminent risks. Real dangers. Look, and you're careful. Nkrofo beji sika npo won't ya. Or what's aggregators be or the worker to gold no was about. Or catch your party member. Sika na amba na input in the necessary guarantees aben bonus sika. Ibio mami we. Ibio azana esere ye no. You say you want to fight Galamsey. Trust me. Once you start buying equipment for people, once you say, oh, small scale mining, by the way, what the Galamsey gold baba is there any system in place to say that gold one mining in a proper way? Let's stop it. I am saying that it's one of the failings, one of the things Abeni Abwa. Two, go back to the women in banking. Women in banking, 51 million. 51 million. This beza, even 100 Ghana cedi per person. 51,000.
100 Ghana cedi.
No. Ayasamka. 100 Ghana. Of course, you can't give 100 Ghana. The minimum is Obine wezigwa oton pure water and oye asana and oye kokumpa. The capital is about money 1,000. I mean in Winneba, the women entrepreneurship program the minimum I give is 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ahuna be mbojatu masa. So in my 1,000, in my 100 impo, it's into my 1,000, in my 100 impo. The 51 million, some 50,000 people. So I'm telling you that the government itself is not serious about its own promise. Two, let me go to two. Agriculture. Abna, let me finish. You asked an important question. Bear with me.
The same first one, though, because all can't go in that seminar. Some of them feel more to the tangent because of say, yentimi the right source are to gold no at the FA no about international markets now ASR London bullion your muntimi my price because no you need to provide the source. It was a legal and santi and no sir. Regulations.
Let's not stay on issue one for too long. The American
doable.
Good idea. They may mean well.
Okay.
But unfortunately, they are playing into the hands of Galamsey.
Okay.
And I do not see any light at the end of that tunnel. They have oversimplified it. Oh, you bring your gold, yenye gold na yankase yetona, it will show up our forex and then it will stabilize the economy. No. You see, it is too simplistic.
Okay.
Because you are only looking at a fraction of the issues that affect the stability of the city. A key issue to consider is agriculture. Okay? Grow to feed yourself and export.